Hey there, foodies. Are you ready to take your air frying game to the next level? If you own a Gowise, Phillips, Cozyna, or Secura air fryer, then you absolutely need to check out these 8PCS/set 7-inch/8-inch air fryer accessories. This set is a game changer when it comes to air frying. It's like having a professional kitchen right in your own home. The accessories in this set are made of food-grade safety materials and are designed to fit all air fryer models of 3.7, 4.2, 5.3, and 5.8 QT. That means no matter what size air fryer you have, these accessories will work for you. Plus, the health cover is Teflon non-stick coating, making them super easy to clean and durable. With this set, you can bake your favorite cake, cook delicious pizza, maximize your cooking surface, expand your baking recipes, and so much more. The possibilities are truly endless. Whether you want to make pancakes, quesadillas, or even giant cookies, these accessories have got you covered. But that's not all. This set also includes a bowl clip and a kitchen tong for safely lifting hot plates and racks from the air fryer, plus a silicone mat to provide a heat-resistant surface to place your hot accessories on. And with the 12 PCS option, you get even more amazing accessories, including a cupcake pan, dish plate clip, baking oil paper, silicone oil brush, and more. So, if you want to elevate your air frying experience and take your cooking to new heights, then this 8PCS/set 7-inch/8-inch air fryer accessories is for you. Don't miss out on the opportunity to make cooking easier, more fun, and more delicious than ever before. Click the link in the description to get your set today and let's get air frying.